Constructing optimum quality high-grade pavement can be easier by XCMG's third complete set of autonomous road construction products. 2016, the first generation was developed. 2020, the second generation broke through the core technologies of cluster construction. 2022, the third generation of autonomous construction revolutionized the road construction and redefined the future.
Up to today, XCMG ARCP has been widely applied and boasts the sustainable development of high-grade pavement. XCMG ARCP is relying on high-precision GNSS, road information modeling, intelligent control system and other basic platforms, combined with mesh technology, integrating job site information, synergistically control paver and rollers for the whole project. Realizing the autonomous construction mode of smart decision-making, real-time management, and precise control in the entire construction process.
Firstly, millimeter-level precision control for optimum quality. XCMG's multi-dimensional paving control technology controls thickness accuracy up to 2 millimeters, ensuring paving uniformity and smoothness. ADVIB precision control technology avoids under-compaction, over-compaction, or overspeeding. Compared with traditional manual construction, the running speed, construction path, number of passes are all standardized, increasing construction efficiency by more than 20%. The rate of qualification is increased by 6%, and coefficient variation is reduced by 13%, maximizing the construction quality of the pavement. Secondly, a zero-risk return on cost. Taking one paver, 5 rollers as example, it is estimated that the labor cost cut can be €420,000 per year, reducing €68,000 economic loss due to reworking of waste materials and project delays. The overall comprehensive fuel consumption can be reduced by 15%, saving fuel consumption of €11,000 per job site, and the benefits will increase year on year. Thirdly, achieve a humanized comprehensive safety protection. The system is equipped with a multi-sensor fusion obstacle detection function, which enables safe, round-the-clock operations. XCMG implements the concept of automation labor reduction by simply inputting the design drawing data into the system. The system will independently make construction decisions, truly realizing the goal of mechanization substitute human. Now, XCMG's ARCP has been applied in as many as 17 provinces in China. From design to plane, from new construction to maintenance project, from bridges to tunnels, from high-grade highways to national and provincial trunk roads. 17 new projects have been completed, 8 roadbed construction projects, 15 maintenance projects. The total mileage is currently over 600 kilometers. A series of figures refresh the miracle of intelligent road construction. A series of projects solidify the foundation of quality engineering construction. XCMG, focused on green and low carbon, devoted to intelligent innovation, deepening the application of autonomous cluster construction, committed to the development of sustainable transport worldwide.
XCMG ARCP are undergoing the certification of the European Safety Directive and will subsequently be applied in Europe and promoted all over the world. In this exhibition, the autonomous product XS125 is here. As a member of the autonomous cluster, it has been routinely applied in the road construction project.
In the future, XCMG Road Machinery will continue to focus on customers and work hand in hand with global partners to achieve win-win development and make it easy to build the optimum quality high-grade roads.